This is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications associated with the website 6saveyou.ru. It's a website that is presented as some sort of human verification alert. The website indicates that you should click on the special Allow button, supposedly to confirm that you are not a robot, but in reality, it's a serious mistake to click on Allow button. In case the Allow button is clicked, the browser would be immediately hijacked and infected. You will start getting the great portion of ads in the right part of your screen, and these ads are also dangerous because in most of the cases they are totally misleading. They may point you to some other shady websites. Because of that, the computer may be infected with adware, with browser hijackers, and some other potentially unwanted programs. In the light of this fact, we recommend you to immediately fix your browser. This is the way you can do it manually. Access the menu, go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, now Site Settings. Scroll down to Permissions and choose Notifications. At this point, carefully research the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find this site that is causing these troubles, you should get rid of it from this list, and you may also remove other junk sites that are causing similar problems. To make sure that your computer is free of other concealed threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.